Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about briefly Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization was a unique Bronze Age civilization from 2500 to 1700 BC based on carbon 14 dating. The civilization flourished around the Indus River basin and its tributaries, consisting of modern Pakistan and northwestern India. Indus Valley Civilization is categorized into different branches. First is town planning. The main streets ran from north to south, varied from 9 to 34 feet in width. Roads, especially in Mohenjo-daro, had a width of 10.5 meter. The Harappa had wide roads of width 30 feet. There was an impressive building which was used as a public bath. The overall dimension of the bath is 180 feet by 108 feet, used for religious purpose. Houses, often two-story and spacious, lined up on the streets. There was a well drainage system resulting in the brick-lined sewers. In town planning grid system, underground drainage and granaries were found. Then we'll discuss about culture of Indus Valley civilization. So Lothal, Balakot, Sukta Allahabad, that is now in Pakistan. In the cities of the Harappan civilization were the major ports. Then domesticated animals. Domesticated animals included dogs and cats, hummed and sea cattle, poultry and possibly pigs, camels and buffalo. Elephant probably too was domesticated and his bones and tusks were freely used. Women were given high honor in society. Family was regulated in the name of mother. The Indus civilization had four different classes in which the society was divided. That is scholars, warriors, businessmen and laborers. In the valley of Indus, people used irrigation-based agriculture. Harappan people had features of Hinduism such as worship of Mother Goddess, Pashupati Shiva, sacred animals, trees, etc. Now we'll discuss about sites and their location. First one is Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. Harappa, Punjab province, Pakistan. Dholavira, Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. Lothal, Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat. Ganveriwala in Punjab, Pakistan. Rakhi Gadhi in Haryana. Banawali in Haryana. Chanu-daro, Kutch in Gujarat. Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Kot Diji in Sindh, Pakistan. Then Ropar, Punjab, India. Surkodada, Kutch, Gujarat. Sukta Gendor, Bank of Dast, Balochistan. Now we'll discuss about Indus Valley civilization, some important names or facts of Indus Valley civilization. So first one is about the Sumerian text. The Sumerian text referred to two intermediate stations, Dilmun, Bahrain and Makan. It also refers to trade relation with Meluha, the name given to Indus region. Then Harappan cotton. Harappan cotton was called Sindon by the Greeks. A community who worshipped rivers are called Daryapanthi in Indus civilization. Boustrophodon. Boustrophodon is name of Indus script. It is written from right to left and then left to right. English bound system. The way of fitting the bricks in making walls. In the system, one large of bricks is placed in length and other layer is made by placing the bricks widthwise. Then ziggurat, the temples of Sumeria. Sati system. The traces of Sati system is found in Lothal, where joint burial is also found. Lipstick. Lipstick was discovered from Chanu-daro and black eastern bangles from Kalibangan. Pastry roller and board and bowls have been discovered from Alamgirpur, Meerut. The evidence of coins is not found. Barter. Barter is assumed to have been the method of exchange of goods. Merchants were the ruling class of Indus civilization. The Harappan did not worship their gods in temple. They did not worship the cow as we do today. They worshipped Matri Dev Shakti, Yoni, Pashupati, Lingam, Naga, that is serpent, trees like peepal and acacia, humped bull, the sun, water, etc. They believed in paganism and sacrificed animals in religious ceremonies. Steatite was used in seals manufacturing. The origin of swastika is discovered from Indus civilization. Indra, the commander of Aryan, is accused of causing the decline of the civilization. The Battle of Haryumpia in Rig Veda had been identified with Harappa by M. Wheeler. Susha are Mesopotamian places where Harappa seals were found. So thank you. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more such informational videos like this.